Hello viewers. So today we are going to do band restoring in ARC 10.8. So first of all, we should know what is band restoring. So band restoring is simply a multi-band spectral enhancement technique where the band restoring actually divides the digital number of one band by the another. This effectively reduces topographic shadows and albedo effects. In some cases, it emphasizes specific materials based on their spectral reflectance curves. It can be performed with two bands of any satellite imagery. So, for iron oxide detection, we can use the red band and blue band of Landsat imagery. So, before putting our bands for division, we have to just put the float. Why? Because when the calculation performed in ArcGIS, if we are not putting the float, the ArcMap will perform integer division and output will be only zeros and ones. So we have to just put the float before putting the bands. So let's see in Arc 10.8. So first of all, we will go to the add data and we'll add our data as we have seen for iron, iron oxide detection. We have to take 2 and 4 band and land it at and 9. Uh, since the band combination, band designation of land at 8 and 9 are the same for red and blue band, so we can easily take a Lancet 9 ms band 2 and Lancet 9 ms uh, band 4 also for the band design for iron oxide detection. So for this, we have to just go to the ARC toolbox and when ARC toolbox will open, we'll go to the spatial analysis tool and we can easily search here map algebra, and in map algebra we'll get the raster calculator. By double clicking we'll get this new window opened, and here we can use the formula. So before using the bands, we just double click on float here and we can see here the float, and we'll just put our 4 band and then divide and float, then band 2. Okay, so this is the complete formula. We have put it uh, here. Now we'll just get the output folder path and just give the name and or something, whatever the name you can put it here. So okay, and you will get the divided device. And as we have seen our document, so here is your Raster calculator or Raster calculator processing done, and you can see here is the bright pixels, which is indicating the iron oxide presence in these areas. Okay, so that's all for binary swing. You can also uh, use binary swing by other bands also for other type of minerals detection or features enhancement.